Hi, I'm Amanda, TiZO's esthetician. Combination skin can be tricky because you likely experience oily skin in some areas, typically the T-zone, and dryness in other areas. The best way to apply your products with combination skin is to apply them with purpose. That means recognizing where your dry areas and oily areas are, and then apply your products methodically. For instance, if your dry areas tend to be around the edges of your face, like your hairline and your cheeks, you'll want to apply any moisturizing products to those areas and work inwards towards your oily spots. Similarly, any products that are going to help tame the oiliness, you'll want to start there, likely your T-zone, and work outwards. TiZO PM Restore is a great product for combination skin because the time-released retinol works overnight to help accelerate cell turnover, revealing fresh, soft skin. For your SPF, TiZO AM Replenish SPF 40 is also great for combination skin because the ceramides help retain skin's natural moisture to combat the dryness you may be experiencing, but the creamy matte finish is also great for the oily areas. I hope this helps you keep your combination skin healthy and beautiful. Let us know if you have any tips or tricks in the comments below.